Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use as fillet and variable fillet command in CATIA. Okay, today discuss here two important point you can see here. First is as fillet and second is variable fillet. Okay, today you can see here CATIA lecture 22 is discussed here. CATIA all 3D commands learn easily, explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, today discuss here 2 point is two very editing command. This is a two command is fillet command is also editing command. This is a very important in editing parts, editing 3D design in CATIA software. And 2.2 command is discussed here. First is as fillet and second is variable fillet. Okay, at first open a CATIA software. Okay, this is our CATIA software interface, and this is a create a 3D design help of a rectangle. Okay, help of a rectangle and a pad. 3D command is use a pad, and this is a already a 3D model is designed, and this use a fillet command. Okay, this is a as fillet, and this fillet is how to work in this 3D models, and you can see here. Okay, first is as fillet definition. Radius is 5 mm and object is fillet, and object is not selection but any object selection. You can see here this edge is select any edge, no problem, but this edge is select, and radius is increase and decrease. Okay, this is increase, radius is 10. Okay, also this is a 20, enter. Okay, and double click here, this is a 10. Okay, and this is a 10 mm. Okay, this is a as fillet work in this model. Okay, and you can see here double click, this as is double click here, and this is a as fillet definition is pop up. Okay, and this is a tangency also is a minimal is also use. You can see here this is a preview is showing here, and also okay, this is a as fillet is use a minimal. Okay, and also you can see also a select other as this and also this. Okay, this is a fillet command in use a also select a. Okay, this is a and select a this as and this as and also this as select here. Okay, this is a as command of use. This project is very good looking here, and this 3D project is a okay, and this is a zoom in. This is a very nice looking here. Okay, and also second is variable fillet. Okay, and this is a undo. Okay, and also one is undo. Okay, this is a variable fillet is used here, and this is a variable radius fillet. Okay, and first is a same here. First is radius 5 mm, and edge fillet. At first select edge, and this is a select here full fill, and this is a minimal and tangency. First is, you can see here, tangency, and this point is select here, and this point is 2 point. You can see here, first is a this point, and second is a this edge point. Okay, and this point is a change here 10. Okay, also, and you can see here preview is showing here. Okay, this is a preview is showing here, and this is a, okay, this is a variable fillet is used in CATIA software, and this use this solid body, you can see here fillet command in use this solid body. Okay, okay, and double click here, size is increase and decrease. Okay, this is a 20. Okay, and this is a 15, this is a 10. Okay, double click here and increase the value is 10, increase the value is 10. This is a double click here, increase the value is 20. Okay, and you can see here preview is showing here. Okay, and select. Okay, this is a variable fillet. And also a very important point, this point is double click here. Okay, double click here, and this point is a select a point. Okay, okay, next point is use. Okay, this point, this edge is use here. Okay, okay, at first select a point. Okay, and this point is a select here, and this is a any. Okay, click here. So okay, this is a point, and okay, you can see here this is a point is select and use a fillet, and at first select this edge, and size is both side is 20, but and this is a size is 10. Okay, okay, size is 10, but second point is you can see here second point is not select, second point is this line. Okay, and this is also a 10, size is increase 20. Okay, and you can see here preview is showing here, this is a preview, and this is a this. Okay, as fillet is used, and this double click here, and this is a cubic, but a linear is also, you can see here preview is showing here, this is a correct. Okay, okay, this is a linear, but this point is a cubic shape is different. Okay, this is a curve is drawing here, but linear is a line. Okay, this is a line, and you can see here cubic is a, this preview is showing here, this is a curve. Okay, okay guys. Okay, and this variable fillet and use a fillet is used, and two command is discussed here. Okay, okay, first is edge fillet, and second is variable fillet is complete here, and next lecture is coming, 33 is coming soon, and next lecture is also a fillet command. Okay, okay guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use Chordal Fillet in use a CATIA command. CATIA. Okay, this Chordal Fillet command used in CATIA, and this is a very important command, and use a editing command. Okay, this is a editing command in use a CATIA software, and all 3D parts is drawing, and this is a 3D parts is a editing tools, editing command you can see here. And guys, today discuss here CATIA lecture 33 is discussed here, and CATIA lecture 33 is a very important command. Command is a Chordal command, Chordal Fillet in use in CATIA command. Okay guys, at first open a CATIA software. Okay, this is our CATIA software interface, and use a Chordal Fillet in use. Okay, at first drawing a any rectangle shape, and then use a Chordal Fillet is use, and then how this works is simply work. Okay, this is a 40, and this is a colorful is also for 40, and this is a colorful is a blue color is okay. Okay guys, this is our 3D body shape and 3D body design help of a rectangle, and then use a Chordal Fillet. Okay, Chordal Fillet is use. Okay, this all type of fillet in use, and first is discussed here, and second is also discussed here, third is a Chordal Fillet. Okay, click here, and this is a Chordal length. At first select any edge, this is select edge, and this both side is 5 mm and 5 mm, and this is a 10. Okay, double click here. Okay, this point is very important, and this is a delete here. Okay, and this Chordal Fillet is use. Okay, at first select a edge point, and both side 10 mm, and use preview is showing here. Okay, and double click here, and this is a change the value is 5. Okay, and this is a enter. Okay, and this point is also change here 15, and this is a 10. Okay, and this value is a change here, and this is a minimal and tangency. You can see here, this is a minimal is a also default value is setting here 5 mm, and okay, this is a preview is showing here, and second point is also use. Okay, and click here. Okay, Chordal Fillet, and this edge is a okay, select this edge, and select at first select a point. Okay, this point, and this length is a okay, and this is a okay, this point is, and this Chordal Fillet is used, and this edge and both side is 10 mm, and this at first select a edge fillet. Okay, fulfill 10 mm is also fulfill, and next is a point is select a 2 elements. Okay, and this is a point is a this point, and point is also a dimension. You can see here, and dimension is 10 is change is 20. Okay, this dimension is 20, and also 3 point is used, 3 element is select here, and you can see here preview is showing here. Okay, this preview is showing both side a 10 mm and this is a 20 mm. Okay, and this is a linear preview is showing here. This is a both side 10 mm and this is a length is 20 mm. Okay, and this is a cubic is good. Okay, and preview is good. Okay, this is a Chordal command is used, you can see here, and next lecture and next double click here, and this is a change is 20. Okay, and this is a 20, enter. Okay, this is a not change. Okay, and also this side and a point is click here, and this is a this and okay, and this Chordal fillet is used 20, this first. Okay, this selection is a first. Okay, 2 element is selected, first is point and second is this edge, and third is element is at first both side is a 20 mm. This value is length, Chordal length, and also this click here and select this point, and this is a 20. This is a Chordal length is 20 mm and 20 mm and 20 mm, and this is also change the value is a this is a 20. Okay, and this is a 30, and this is a 40. Okay, at first is a 20 mm, second is 30 mm, and for third is 40 millimeter. Okay, you can see here this is a cubical, you can preview is showing here. Okay, okay, this is a preview is showing here, and this is a okay, this fillet is used, and this is also a linear is used, preview is showing here, and this is a linear. Okay, okay, Chordal command is Chordal fillet. Chordal command is very important, and use a 3D, any 3D model is edit the S and this face. Also this face is a click here. Okay, this face okay, this face and this face Chordal command is use, not use. Okay, face is not select, as is select here. Okay guys, CATIA next lecture is coming soon, and this is a Chordal fillet is very important, and today discuss here, and this is a complete learning here, and next lecture is coming soon. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.